Step into the future of high-speed automated egg processing. Experience peak efficiency with our advanced high-speed sorting systems. Precision robotics handle every single egg with delicate care. Advanced laser technology detects even the smallest shell imperfections. Our massive climate-controlled facility maintains peak product freshness. Industrial steam cleaning ensures the highest level of sanitation. Sophisticated multi-tiered systems maximize our daily production output. And high-pressure misting provides a thorough and gentle cleaning. Life begins perfectly inside our strictly controlled incubation units. Dozens of healthy chicks emerge under our golden lights. Fluffy new arrivals start their journey on specialized lines. Our massive modern halls provide ample space for growth. Smart industrial design separates varieties for better flock management. Automated feeding systems deliver nutrition exactly where it is needed. Circular feeders allow every chick easy access to nutrients. We maintain a clean and healthy environment for growth. Autonomous robots keep the living areas spotless and safe. Innovative feeding trains make nutrition delivery fun and efficient. High-tech multi-level housing optimizes space and bird comfort. Streamlined feeding troughs ensure a constant supply of food.
Ceiling-mounted misters provide instant cooling during warm days.
Cooling foam provides a unique and healthy climate solution. Fresh water is always available through our smart dispensers. Intelligent robots navigate the floor to ensure total hygiene. Warmth and comfort are guaranteed under our specialized lamps. Drones provide real-time monitoring for total flock security. Organized feeding lines promote healthy and uniform growth habits. Radiant floor heating keeps our birds cozy all night. Thorough sanitization stations protect the health of our flock. Fresh bedding is distributed automatically to maintain dry floors. Circadian lighting helps our birds rest and grow naturally. Our massive facility operates with clockwork efficiency and scale.
Misting systems keep the temperature perfect for the flock.
Expert staff monitor every detail through advanced control systems. Nutritious multicolored feed supports a balanced avian diet. Our UV health tunnel ensures every bird is sanitized. Autonomous vehicles handle heavy farm tasks with zero emissions. High-resolution monitoring tracks feeding behavior for every bird. Balanced nutrition is delivered through our central feeding hubs. Continuous maintenance ensures the highest standards of barn hygiene. Automated belts provide a never-ending supply of fresh feed. Clean, sterile environments are key to our poultry success. Smart cleaning technology works seamlessly alongside our live birds. Environmental enrichment toys keep our chickens active and happy.
Strategic feeder placement ensures easy access for all birds.
Quiet periods are essential for natural bird development. Our skilled team ensures only the healthiest birds proceed. Essential minerals are provided to support strong bone health. High-tech aerial surveillance keeps a close eye on flock dynamics. Automated sanitization tunnels provide a deep, safe clean. High-speed vacuum robotics streamline our meat processing line. Healthy birds enjoy fresh minerals delivered by precise robotics. High-pressure air systems ensure a clean, feather-free product. Industrial vacuum systems maintain a clean and tidy facility. Large-scale robotics coordinate to maximize our processing efficiency. Durable mechanical systems handle products with speed and accuracy. Our sanitization mist ensures the highest level of safety. Our futuristic processing tunnels are designed for maximum throughput. Human expertise ensures quality at every step of processing. High-speed rollers efficiently remove feathers for a clean finish. Specialized robotic heads provide targeted cleaning for every bird. Precision laser cutting delivers perfectly measured portions every time. Automated washing lines maintain a sterile and clean product. Cryogenic freezing locks in the freshness and flavor instantly. Intelligent scanning robotics sort parts with incredible digital accuracy. Our advanced freezing systems operate at extreme sub-zero levels. Mechanical precision ensures hygienic handling throughout the entire process. Soft-touch vacuum grippers prevent any damage to the meat. Automated circular saws deliver clean and consistent carcass cuts. Collaborative robotics increase speed while maintaining surgical precision. Smart laser sensors verify the quality of every piece. Specialized tools remove unwanted parts with total mechanical accuracy. High-tech deboning systems ensure a bone-free, premium product. Real-time data tracking manages our entire production workflow. Vacuum sealing technology extends shelf life and preserves quality. Automated rolling systems prepare drumsticks for the next stage. Efficient dicing machines create perfectly uniform cubes of meat. Automated tray loading improves speed and reduces manual labor. Hardened steel blades ensure clean cuts through every piece. Quality control lasers scan for any remaining bone fragments. Continuous production lines move thousands of pieces every hour. Our automated injection systems ensure a juicy and flavorful product. Soft robotic technology mimics human touch for delicate meat. Our team works in harmony with advanced circular conveyors. Automated coating systems provide an even and delicious crust. Final washing stages ensure the meat is perfectly clean. Precise portioning systems fill every tray with exact weights. Space-saving spiral conveyors move products efficiently through floors. Dedicated professionals sort and inspect every piece of meat. Large-scale dicing starts with high-quality raw chicken meat. Automated strip cutting creates perfect portions for healthy meals. Heavy-duty robotics handle large portions with ease and speed. Automated marination adds flavor and value to our products. Dual laser scanning provides the highest level of food safety. X-ray inspection guarantees our chicken is safe for everyone. Rapid blast freezing preserves the natural texture of meat. Fully automated packing lines prepare our products for shipping. Quality is guaranteed from our high-tech farm to you.